Let's continue our series, which is Lead Code 75, in which we have solved 10 questions out of 75, and now we have to solve a question from two pointer, which is subsequence. So in this question, there is given a string s and t. You have to check whether string s is a subsequence of string t. If it is, then you just have to return true, and if it is not following, then you have to return the false. Okay, so what is the meaning of subsequence? Subsequence is basically a string which following the relative position. Okay, relative position means, let's suppose this is an example, a b c. So these this string should be in a same order no matter how many character is between this character and this. Okay, means if a b c, then their order should be same. A, the first character is a, then b, then c. So this is the subsequence. Okay, if it is, if suppose if a string is a, sorry, b, a, g, h, d, c. So this is not a subsequence because it is not following the relative ordering. Okay, the order is a b c, but there is order, but in the string t the order is b a c. So this is not a subsequence. Okay, the subsequence means their order should be followed. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is the meaning of subsequence. So let's do this. How can we approach this? Okay, so this is the easy question. You can use the two pointer approach, string s. So first I will create a I pointer which is pointing to the zeroth element of s, and j pointer which is pointing to the zeroth element of t, string t. Okay, and then I will check if s of I will check if s of I is equals to t of is equals to t of j, then you just have to do I plus plus. Okay, if it is equal, then you just have to do I plus plus, and if it is not or following this condition, in all the condition you just have to do j plus plus. Okay, so here will be the while loop while I is less than n and j is less than t dot size. Okay, so in this condition I will check if s of I, which is a, and t of j is equals to yes, it is equal. So I will move my I pointer to the b. Okay, and j will also move here. I will check b is equals to h. No, again the j will move here, and again I will check if s of I, which is b, and t of j is equals to yes, then I will do I plus plus. Okay, then I will move here, and I will check if c is equals to g. No, so the j will move to the, sorry, it will move to the d, and I will check if, again I will check s of I equals to t of j. Yeah, this is equal. Then the loop will, it will become I plus plus, which is not less than n. So the while loop will break here, and you just have to check, and after this you just have to return, this is the return statement. You have to return if I is equals to s dot size. If it is, then it will return the true, and if it is not, then it will return the false. Okay, so I hope you understand. First I will create int I equals to 0 comma int j equals to 0. And then I will check while I less than s dot size and then j less than t dot size. I will check if s of I is equals to t of j, then I just have to do I plus plus, and if it is not following the condition, you just have to do j plus plus, and after this you just have to return you have to return I is equals to s dot size. If it is, then it will return the true, and if it is not, then it will automatically return the false. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.